What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Murph Griffin Enterprises back in another video. Today, I am pissed off because Amanda is returned on YouTube again. So I'm going to roast her on her ass. So Amanda, you better watch your back, homie. All right? I don't care what you do and all that other stuff. So yeah, I don't care what you do that you returning on YouTube. Because I got a lot of people to explaining to us about you, okay? Especially my friend Bella, because Bella told me she's returned. So no wonder, Amanda, you are the meanest YouTuber ever, okay? And what kind of grown-ass woman is like a in their 30s watching? That you watching baby shows, showing the halls to the kids. That is what up you doing. What are you going? Grow up. Leave the platform. So wherever you go, you grow up, okay? All I can say is, what are you doing continuing back on YouTube? This idiot, she probably, well, she probably, returning multiple times. She got probably a grown-ass women child stroller. So, Amanda, you shouldn't be over here. Because this is why you are losing your YouTube channel. You lost all your friends. The way you acting, you needed a serious. I hear with your anger issue, with your happy issue problem, okay? Just being on as. Well, because my friend and I already know that you are returning. When they agree with me about Amanda, so you mess with the wrong YouTubers, okay? You mess with the wrong people. You mess with the wrong fans. You mess with them, and you mess with me too. So Amanda Curry with autism. So if I see you create another account, I'm get pissed off at you right now. So I don't know why, and a grown big ass woman, because they are still cut ties with you. So anyways, it's been Murph Griffin. Like and share, subscribe to this channel. Okay, I can get really pissed off about this one. So see you later. Bye.